Now you're getting a lot of money for that house, and I know you're struggling on where to go. Well, watch this episode and find out.
Really, Mary?
I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and I am delighted to have my guest today as Carrie Bone. Carrie, you are at the Discovery Village at Naples by Discovery Senior Living. And, you know, I can't think of a better time that we have right now to talk about what senior living is and what your facility has, because the question I get every single day in this amazing market that we're in right now is, where will I go? What will I do? Where will I live? And you guys just have such a beautiful facility. So talk about it a little bit to our viewers so they can hear a little bit about what you guys offer.
Fabulous. Thank you, Mary, for having me today. Honored to be on Really Mary. My name is Carrie Bone, and I'm Community Relations Specialist with Discovery Village at Naples. And Discovery Village at Naples is a continuum of care senior living community. And currently right now I'm sitting in our independent living community, and we are brand new. We opened in June 2020. Our first residents moved in.
Great time to open, right, Carrie?
Right.
Crazy.
And I keep saying we're still brand new because the last year, I still feel like we're really brand new because it was a little tough to navigate, but we're on the other side of that. So anyway, in our independent living, first of all, I'm going to tell you where we're located. Okay. So we are between Laley Cultural and Rattlesnake Hammock off of Collier Boulevard, across the street from Physicians Regional Hospital on Collier.
Great location.
So, yeah. And we're really the closest and the newest senior community to Marco Island. So, and we sit on a 16-acre campus. We kind of sit back, nestled off the big streets, which is very nice for the quiet campus environment. And our independent living is 175 rental apartments, and they're brand new. They're complete with granite and zero entry showers and lovely screened-in lanais. Largest apartment's about 1,200 square feet, and then it goes down a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, about 600-700 square feet.
And they are gorgeous, let me tell you.
They are all brand new GE stainless appliances. Everything is full size, side by side, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, just like home. So, and here at Independent Living, this is very much a lifestyle. So we try to create a stress-free resort style life. And included in all that is culinary. So we have a bistro, which is a little less informal, like a grill room. Then we have our formal main dining room where we do formal dinners and brunches. So we've got a variation of culinary excellence to provide our residents. We also have celebrations, which is our activities. And we do everything from men's golf outings to ladies' lunches to art class. And we had someone come in and they painted their own wine glasses the other day. And then they take them to their apartments. Yeah, put a flamingo or a palm tree on it. So that we have activities and celebrations, and included, if you live here, you get your own personal trainer. So we have this lovely fit camp, and we have a personal trainer. So that is part of your rent. And she does aquatic programs and Tai Chi and any stretching, and you can go and use the gym anytime you want. And
I love
everything
that.
is automated. Yeah. So
and then it's included. My dad passed at 92, and you know what? He went to the gym 3 days a week. It makes a difference, doesn't it, Carrie?
It does make a difference, and it keeps us strong. And if we're stronger, we stay healthier. We really want to prevent falls. I know it sounds a little trite, but not really. And anybody that has experienced somebody who has had a fall as they're aging, it can be a game changer. So we want to prevent that.
I love
So
that.
anyway, we have this beautiful resort style pool with cabanas and umbrellas. It's got a 0 entry. We also have a 24/7 concierge service. We have maintenance service. If your dishwasher gets a little leak, you call the concierge. She sets up maintenance and you just go about your day.
I love that.
I know. And on top of that, we have housekeeping and transportation. So
What? I don't have to drive. I don't have to clean my house. I don't have to worry about anything. And I get to work out and have great food
yes,
and
and have a
activities.
lot of friends. And you have friends, and we have happy hour, and we've got a big Wii bowling competition going on right now. Really, they're serious. I mean, this is a big deal. It's just so fun, and the laughter and the joy and all that we all need in our lives every day. And we've been challenged with that over the last year, not here at Discovery Village. We are having a ball and we are living life and to its fullest. And that is so beautiful. And I'm honored to work here.
Yeah.
On our 16-acre campus, really important to know as well, is we also offer continuum of care. So if you sell your home or your condo right now in this strong seller's market, if you need an option, you can come to our independent community and just start to share in the beauty and the fun. And let's say you age, but you're declining a little bit and you need a little more help with medications or getting the meals. We have a beautiful assisted living, and we also have a memory care, secure memory care right here on our campus. So if you move here, you never have to move again.
Nice.
Even if you need a higher level of care. So that's a real important thing as we age. It's a beautiful thing to know I can age in place. And don't have to move again. And I can take full advantage of the market right now with an option to say, well, where do I go, right? Well, here, you come right here. Every level of care here is on a rental. There's no fancy big buy-in. It's on an annual lease and a monthly rental. So it makes it really affordable without that real big financial commitment.
Because there's a lot of them in town, right, Carrie? Really, that they want a big chunk of money to live there. And this is a really great option for somebody that doesn't want to give their money away.
Correct. You can have luxury resort style living with all the amenities, like you're living in a big hotel, without that big outlay of financial security. So really a win-win situation for our seniors. The age here is typically 65 plus. Not saying we wouldn't, if you were 63 and you wanted to kind of maybe make this change, we could do that. Right now, I go from 65 to 95. A lot of our residents still work. I have a lot that do volunteer work. I have somebody that works at the zoo. I have a teacher that just moved in, a college professor, and he's doing a lot virtually, but he's teaching. And then I have some that volunteer, the Boys and Girls Club 3 days a week. So they're very active, and they're active in our community at large. As well as our community at Naples, Discovery Village at Naples. So
I love
it's
that.
a very healthy, busy lifestyle, we like to say here.
Well, I love that. There are so many things about this, which is so great. Carrie, we're going to include your information below because, honestly, if you have questions, you can answer how they would come, how they would set this up, what that looks like, right?
Yes. And I invite anyone to come for a tour. We tour 7 days a week, typically from 9 to 5. But if you need a specific time later or earlier, you just let us know and we will accommodate you. But you really need to stop in and see what a beautiful property this is. And it's not just the property. It's really the love within the building, because you can have the fanciest, prettiest building, and I
Right.
say this, but if you don't have the right people and the right love inside, it's just a fancy building.
Yeah.
So I really encourage, come on in and meet the team and just get a feel of the energy and the love that we have here at Discovery Village.
I love that. Well, I can attest. We had a meeting there recently, and it is beautiful. Just the way it's architected and the campus and everything about it. Carrie, thank you so much for taking the time today on the Really Mary Show to come and tell everybody about it. And we will have your information below. And again, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and we look forward to seeing you here in Paradise, moving into the next stage of life, capitalizing on that investment, and loving life at Discovery Village at Naples. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye, Mary.